In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable background play in Brave browser. This feature is particularly useful for those who enjoy multitasking while listening to their favorite music or podcasts. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to launch the Brave browser on your device. If it's not already installed, you can download it from the official Brave website. Once you have it installed, simply click on the Brave icon to open it. This step is crucial because without the browser open, you can't access the settings we need to adjust. Now, once the browser is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice a main menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the hamburger menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Navigating through this menu is an essential skill as it houses many of the browser's settings and features. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. Clicking on Settings will open a new tab or window depending on your browser configuration that displays all the adjustable settings that Brave has to offer. It's important to note that accessing these settings allows you to personalize your browsing experience and optimize the browser's performance. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled System. This is where you'll find various options related to the browser's underlying operations and performance tweaks. Click on System to proceed to the next step. Adjusting system settings can be intimidating, but don't worry, we'll go through each option step by step. Now in the System section, you'll see an option to turn off the memory saver. This feature is designed to free up system resources by pausing tabs you aren't actively using. However, if you want to enable background play for specific sites, you'll need to modify this setting. You have two choices here. You can either turn off the memory saver entirely, which will prevent any tabs from being paused, or you can add specific sites to an exemption list. If you opt for the latter, click Add next to Always Keep these sites active. In the field that appears, type in youtube.com or any other site you often use for music or video playback. This ensures that these sites remain active and continue playing in the background, even if you switch tabs. This step is key because it allows you to enjoy uninterrupted audio while you work on other tasks. At this point, you've successfully configured Brave to play media in the background. This feature not only enhances your multitasking capabilities, but also ensures a seamless and enjoyable browsing experience. Remember, you can always revisit these settings and adjust them as needed based on your preferences and browsing habits. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've unlocked a powerful feature in Brave that many users appreciate. Feel free to explore other settings and features within the browser to further customize your experience. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.